What is up, everybody? Sporty Boys here, and I'm with my cousin Durder, and today we are doing a Nerf War edition. Let's go! Alright, so this is how it works. Whoever gets shot once, you get two more lives. If you get shot twice, you get one more life. And if you get it again, you're dead. So, Ryder, you hear that? Instructions. Let's go! Alright, so when I say go, we go. So, ready, set, go! Oh, alright, Ryder only has 2 lives left. Durder only has 2 lives left. So I'm sorry about that, Ryder. I meant Durder because just, a Ryder truck just went by. So, yeah, let's keep going. I didn't reload. Get your bullet out of here. Dang it. I got him again! No! Alright, you only have 1 life left. Oh, God. Where's the other bullet? Alright, here. Alright, Ryder, Durder, you only have 1 life left. So let's keep going. When I say go, we go. When I say go, we go. Go! I got him in the foot! Let's go! If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. So thank you, my cousin Durder, for being in this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Woo!